Hi there, this is Coach John here from Learning Out of the Box, and I'm going to share with you today's explanation on paper 2, question 12 of PSLE 2022 paper. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is, so imagine right now you have not been taught how to solve angles question in a very systematic manner, or maybe you're overwhelmed by so much information, especially when it comes to their part A, B, and C. Yeah, so what we do here in our session is, let's take it one line at a time. Okay, so what we do here is can see the word parallelogram, which also means that you need to label everything, yeah, that you know about the parallelogram. Okay, so let's put double arrow for this and also single arrow for this. So at the same time, then ACE is an equilateral triangle, which also means that we have double line for this. Okay. Yeah, which also means that all this is 60 degree. Okay, 60 degree. Yeah, we label first. Yeah, I mean, since now we are actually processing the information, and whether we use it or not is another thing. Yeah. And high chance for the fact that they give you this information, you know that you are going to use it. Okay. Okay, so rather than trying to find the angles from scratch, okay, so DC equals to DE, which also means that when you have this, this is an isosceles triangle. Okay, yeah, okay, so right now, I think that's what we can do, and let's find out what do they want us to do. So we have ACD, yeah, ACD. So one of the key processes will be to highlight the keywords that you need to find so that it just pop up from the paper so that you know where to find or where to go at least. So we have ACD. ACD means that right here, you have what you need for part A. Okay, so let's put here part A and then you do a shading. Yeah, do a shading. And this is what you need to do for part A. And can you see that even though you have no idea where it is, but at least from a single glance, you know how it looks like. All right, so let's do for part A. Okay, so for part A right now, for the fact that we are looking at this region, we can safely use the property of equilateral triangle and know that this whole angle is actually 60 degree as we have indicated here. Yeah, so angle ACE is equals to 60 degree. Yeah, so which also means that once we are able to find this angle, right, you can just take 60 degree minus off this angle. Yeah, and you know that actually this angle is part of this triangle. Okay, this triangle, which is actually an isosceles triangle. Yeah, which also means that you can just take 180 minus off 138 divided by 2 to find this angle. And then from there, you can take 60 degree minus off this angle to find A. That's it. Right? So make good use of the information. Actually, they are there to help you. Yeah. So we have angle DCE is equals to, use Bodmer's, 180 minus off 138 divided by 2. Okay, so it's 21 degree. And then as discussed just now, once you have 21 degree here, you can just take 60 degree minus of 21 to give you the answer that you want. Okay, that's it. All right, so again, no rocket science here. It's just making use of the information that they gave you. All right, so what about B? Okay, CDA. So CDA will be over here. Okay, let me use another color, maybe orange. Okay, so this is what you need to find. Just do a shading. And then this is B. Okay, so this is B. And so right now, you can see that the closest that we can find is to make good use of angle within a triangle. Why? Because we have A already. And remember that A is used to find B, so we got to use A. So A is 39. Yeah, so which means that if you can find this, you can just take 180 minus of this to find this. Okay, so this is our goal. All right, so to find this angle is actually same as this angle. All right, so this is actually alternate angles, but actually, in fact, you can also make use of 60 to minus of 30 degrees to find angle CAD. Okay, CAD is 60 degrees minus of 30 degrees equals to 30 degrees. So angle CDA is 180 minus of 30 degrees and minus off from A, which is 39 degrees, and you have 111. Wow, nice number. Okay, so that's answer for B. Yeah, so again, with B, let's go to C and keep an open mind in seeing how we can use B for C. Otherwise, they won't be arranged in this order, right? Okay, so for C, you want EAB. So what other colors I'm going to use here? Maybe turquoise, something that I like personally. So EAB, yeah, EAB will be the whole thing. Yeah, so it's the whole thing over here. And we already have 60, so which means that we need to find this angle. Yeah, so we can just add 60 to this to give the answer for C. Okay, so with that, can you see a letter N or Z, okay, running on the side, and with parallel lines, so which means that this angle, which is from part A, equals to this angle, which is 39, right? So with that, this angle is 39 degrees. Yeah, so angle CAB is equals to 39 degrees, alternate angles, okay? And with that, angle EAB is equals to 60 degrees plus 39 degrees, and that is 99 degrees. All right, so that's it. So in fact, you realize that for part A, B, and C, it's all actually using angle properties that already exist. And how do we decide which angle property to use? We got to read off from the question and follow the question closely. And talking about parallelogram as well as equilateral triangle, and you also have an isosceles triangle to work on. All right, so I hope this helped. And if you know of any friend who can benefit from this video, feel free to share with him or her so that we can actually help more kids in making PSLE paper a more joyful experience. All right, take care and see ya.